Have you ever tried updating your online store and it broke something in checkout? Or your marketing team keeps waiting days for developers to publish a simple banner? That's the problem with traditional e-commerce. Your design, content, and store engine are all tied together. Every change feels like walking on eggshells. That's why many brands are now switching to headless e-commerce, a smarter architecture that separates the front end from the back end. And in this video, we'll show how it actually works with a real example. Magento plus Prismic integration we built for Bikebiz, a top Australian motorcycle retailer. In a classic e-commerce setup, everything, your product catalog, checkout, and page design lives inside one system. It's simple at first, until your business starts to grow. Then it gets painful. Slow page loads, limited design flexibility, expensive updates, and endless developer bottlenecks. Headless e-commerce changes the rules. You decouple the front end, what customers see, from the back end, where business logic lives. Magento stays in charge of products, orders, and pricing. Prismic, a headless CMS, powers all the content. Pages, banners, blogs, campaigns. Your developers can build the front end in any modern framework, React, Next.js, or Vue, while marketers update content instantly, without touching the code. When we implemented this for Bikebiz, the site went from happy and slow to lightning fast and flexible. Magento handled all e-commerce logic, inventory, integrations, and checkout. Prismic gave their marketing team total freedom to manage content, no waiting for releases. They could publish new promotions, blog posts, and landing pages in minutes. The result? Faster loading times and better SEO rankings. Full creative control for designers and marketers, and scalable structure ready for multi-store expansion. So when should your business go headless? When you want custom designs without template limits, when your marketing team needs faster publishing, or when you're planning to expand across multiple regions and channels. Headless e-commerce isn't just a buzzword, it's a future-proof approach. Magento plus Prismic is one of the smartest combinations for brands that want both power and freedom. At Skynix, we build headless e-commerce systems that deliver measurable results. Subscribe to our channel for more real case studies and platform breakdowns, and see how the next generation of e-commerce is being built today.